What is up? Welcome back to the channel. That looks fun, doesn't it? Doesn't. No. Whatever. It needs fixed, right? Doesn't matter if it's fun or not. It needs fixed. So, we're going to fix it. I got the brace cut off. It looks like it's pretty rusty behind there. You saw that, though. Now I'm going to just kind of try to straighten as much of the sheet metal out as I can. And then we're going to take the new piece, we're going to lay it over there, lay it on the firewall, scribe our line, and then we're going to try to separate our pieces, because there's going to be a lip in there where basically the firewall is like 3 different pieces or more. But it's going to be a little tedious on trying to separate our pieces and drill out the spot welds and basically install this firewall as if it was a factory firewall going in. So yeah, stay tuned. This should be fun. It's going to be great. What's up, guys? We are back at it on Brandon's C10. I looked into how these firewalls go together. I looked around on kind of YouTube and everything just to see how these go on. I've done firewalls before, but I never did the Slosh Tubz firewall on the C10. Just kind of did a little investigating just to see what the process was for this specific one. I found a video. He kind of tells you how to do it. In his video, it's already done. The explanations of it, if you're not actually inside with everything cut away, it's hard to really understand how to do it. I'm going to kind of show you what he was talking about. I got the upper piece cut out. So he talked about cutting it in two pieces. This piece, your rain tray, or your whatever you want to call it, your wiper cowl, I'll call it. So your wiper cowl, as you can see, well, this one's all rusted because leaves and stuff got into the wiper cowl. Not so much over here, but you can see the seam where the wiper cowl sits down, and the firewall actually gets, you know, spot welded to the wiper cowl, and then down here your firewall goes over where the floor lip is and gets spot welded along here. Now what this panel does is, you can see my scribe line through here. It kind of comes down and sits along here, and you can see my scribe line goes around here. And now right here there's a piece that kind of comes from here and goes straight up and ties into this little lip. So from behind it, you'll either have just a piece that'll kind of hide this. It kind of helps you keep this supported in with the firewall, instead of, because you cut your seam right here, and that takes away from your support from your fender and stuff. So the firewall kind of goes over, welds into this, come down to here. Now he was talking, since we cut the wiper cowl out here, he was saying to drill out the spot welds, cut it away, and now you got your firewall piece that it comes up and incorporates into your cab. What he was saying is, from your cowl down about an inch, he leaves a strip that comes across here and tie it, and just keeps all this together. Now when this piece is cut out, you'll be able to see that your cab firewall actually comes down here and ties in to your floor. We'll probably do the same thing, leave a strip here, and when we cut all this away, and what we'll do is we'll drill holes through here, and when we put our firewall piece over top of it, we can spot weld from the backside into the firewall. That way, when you weld everything in, you don't get this, kind of inside a barrel sound. It'll keep that structure, pretty sound. And then the Slosh Tubz gives you a bracket to come up and around your steering column and your brakes, so that way your pedal, when you push on the pedal, you don't get a tin can feel. The firewall would flex out. Well, they add like a 3/16 plate to add strength behind that, so that way it's not, all loosey-goosey. But yeah, it takes a little bit. I prefer to do this with no interior in. Right now the carpet is kind of in, but I have it peeled back, and the dash metal is in, the dash pad's out, dash metal is in, because to take the actual metal dash out, you would have to drill out the spot welds from behind the windshield, and we are not getting into that. So just have to be as careful as I can. Now you can see, like I was saying, to leave a quarter or an inch strip along here, there's not much left of it. So I'm actually gonna have to make a 1-inch piece and weld it into the cab itself, so I can add that structure along there. So yeah, it's a little rusty than what we imagined, but we'll get it. We'll get it. It's nothing we can't handle. It's one of those things that, in a perfect world, I would have had the cab completely stripped down and then blasted, so that way we could see exactly